Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge products in Shopify. The process is easy, just go and log in into your Shopify. So there are two options, the manual option and kind of the automated option. So if we start by the manual option, we'll have to go to the left panel, click on products. In this example, I do have here two products, maybe two t-shirts with just some different colors, so I added them as two products. Instead of doing that, you will be able to add variants. So go to the products as example and scroll down until you find this variant option. Here, where you will be able to add options like size or color for the same product. So you don't have basically to add multiple colors of the same t-shirts on different products so the user don't get confused. So here you can click on add as example and just say maybe this is the color or red and maybe I have two of that. Then click on done, we'll be able to add another and stuff like that. Once you finish, click on save and you can go in this example and delete the other duplicated products. For the other option, we'll have to use some apps. On the left panel, go and click on apps. Here, you'll find Shopify App Store, go and click on that and this will open a new tab. From here, just go and look for merge products. So we'll find some apps that does this, like example, this merges. So you can use this one or use any other one that you want. For me, I'm just going to use this one. Click on install as example, click on install again, and here we are. So once we install that, this app normally should merge products for us. You can watch the video to see how it's done, and this will be specifically useful for you if you have multiple products. So if your sale have a small store, you can do it manually, especially if you have just some few products. But if you don't, you have multiple products, you can use that. So you can click on merge products, and here you can select the products that you want, as example, those two, click on add, and click on merge products at the top right. Here, you'll have to give it title for the new products. I'm just going to name it here something. And as you can see, it's added all the variants that are in the first products, second products, add description for me, it's added everything that I want. Here, you'll be able to change any example thing that you want. And once you're done, you should be good to go. You can just choose as example now the status if you want to keep it as draft or you want to set active right now. If you want to choose any type, vendor as example, collection, stuff like that. And once you're done, just click on save. And here's an example, if you click on settings, let me just wait for this until it's saved. So it will not take a lot of time. As you can see, once you click on settings, here you'll be able to edit some of the settings that might be useful to you. So like archive some original products or keep original products active. So some stuff here that are useful if you want to mess with that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.